Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Stumble Guys. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Stumble Guys and we click in this page. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.